Best Buy dangles hard to find holiday items as key perk as it launches new membership program. Best Buy is launching Total Tech. We'll get into that name. An annual membership program nationwide after testing it at select stores. The consumer electronics retailer said one of the key perks will be access to hard to find holiday items, though it did not specify what those items will be. Pandemic fueled chip shortages and shipping delays mean that customers may not be able to buy all of the items on their holiday wish list. The consumer electronics retailers program Total Tech costs $199.99 per year. So $200 per year. Customers who join will get unlimited around-the-clock tech support, exclusive member prices on merchandise, up to 2 years of product protection on most purchases, free shipping and installation, and an extended 60-day window for returns and exchanges, among other features. They began testing this program back in select stores back in April. The retailer is tacking on holiday specific benefit as the pandemic fuels global supply chain challenges. Outbreaks of COVID-19 have temporarily closed some factories and ports, causing a shortage of semiconductor chips that go into everything from cars to laptops. Obviously, we know this. Freight costs have jumped, and ports have ground congested, leading to higher prices for customers and fewer products on shelves. Retail and analysts have forecast an increase in holiday spending, but warned of fewer deals and shipping delays. They have encouraged customers to start shopping early and to buy desired items when they see them. Best Buy did not specify high demand products available to Total Tech members, but it sells popular gift items that range from video game consoles to Apple. If you've ever been in a Best Buy, they anything basically tech related is what they sell. It is said in a news release that participants will get access to Member Monday, a special event on exclusive deals that begins October 18th and runs through the holidays. The event will include deals for customers who are part of Best Buy's free membership program, My Best Buy 2. With the launch of Total Tech, Best Buy will phase out a similarly named membership program that had fewer perks. The one that let's see what are they calling that? What are they phasing out here? Okay, we could check out their website in a minute here. Retail analyst Peter Kith of Piper Sandler, in a research note last week, called the upcoming launch of Total Tech a potential game changer for the company and its stock. He said the membership program is one of the most intriguing initiatives that Best Buy has had in more than 5 years. Plus, he said it comes as the company's shares are trading at a cheap valuation. Shares are up 1.3% on Tuesday to nearly $107. The stock is up 7% this year. Sandler rates Best Buy as overweight and has a price target of $150, about 40% higher than where it's currently trading at. Keith estimated that in the research note that Best Buy will add 3 million new members on top of the approximately 3 million who are part of the membership program that's phasing out. He said he expects the retailer to grow that membership base to between 6 million and 10 million over time. And Keith said that he anticipates the holiday season to help drive interest as Best Buy advertises the program and customers see members only price discounts on the retailer's site. Let's check out their program here. So Total Tech. So this doesn't actually say what the one that they're phasing out is, but it's basically everything that we already listed earlier. 20% off labor for repairs and advanced services, free delivery on standard installation with hardware purchases, unlimited tech support. Although internet security software is not included with Total Tech, if you currently have internet security software through Total Tech support, it will be valid as long as your Total Tech membership. 24 months of product protection and 24 months of Apple Care Plus on most Apple purposes. purchases while membership is active. Wow. Okay, so that is a pretty big deal because Apple Care Plus is a great service that I generally don't pay for because I generally sell the product, the Apple device that I have to get the new one, and offsetting some of that cost. Without waiting for it to depreciate in value. VIP access to dedicated phone and chat teams, free 2-day members, free 2-day shipping with no minimum purchase, and 60-day return window. That one is a big one because with their membership program, their Best Buy Rewards program, if you spend so much a year, I think it was like $1,500 or something like that a year, you would get into the Platinum program, which gives you a 45-day return window. I think it used to be 60 days, but I guess they have figured out that this is the opportunity for them to open that back up. But so this is all for the low price of $200 a year. I think if depending on how much stuff you're buying from Best Buy, it could make sense. I'm excited to see that they're trying something different. I think, we all know that retail is quote unquote doomed or, ready is decimated as it is, thanks to a big part by Amazon. And it's really on them to create experiences to get people into the store and create membership programs that people will actually use. I guess in their test, this worked. Relating, special promos and things back to my old Pardo Truck Parts, Pardo Truck Service Parts Warehouse Incorporated days. The biggest promotion that we ever did was Wawa card. So if you bought a certain amount of, like, say, airbags for your truck, or if you bought so many shocks for your truck, you buy 8 shocks, get like a $25 gift card to Wawa, which is like the equivalent of like a 7-Eleven. But Wawa here in the Northeast and in Florida is huge, right? So people would go crazy. They would stock up on all kinds of items off of that special sheet and buy it. So while we did try a membership program, it didn't quite have the same impact as just I'm buying this now and I'm getting this, I'm getting these products and I'm getting these Wawa gift cards. We would go and buy hundreds and hundreds of dollars worth of gift cards at a time, which actually, until they enabled you to be able to buy it on their website, was actually kind of annoying because you had to go to a Wawa and then hold up the line. You would try to go to the Wawa when no one was, like in between lunch and dinner or in between breakfast and lunch, just to make sure that we weren't like holding up the line and or waiting in a long line to be able to get all of these gift cards that we needed.